We are back at the O2 Intercontinental in Greenwich, London for Britain and Ireland Marketplace 2025. This event showcases the best of British and Irish product. I'm back with my mini mic, so let's go around, have a little chat to people and see what they're getting up to. I'm here with Ansham from the Gateways of Europe. Hello, welcome.
Hello.
Can you tell me a little bit about what the Gateways of Europe do?
Well, Gateways of Europe is an inbound DMC which caters not only to the UK and Ireland, but we are one of the unique agencies, a DMC, which operates all across the Europe. So we are into Central Europe. We do the itineraries from the Paris to Rome. We're into Scandinavia, we're into Balkans, we're into Baltics, we're into Spain, Portugal. You name a destination into Europe, and that's where we have been operating. So we operate about 8,000 to 10,000 passengers each year, primarily from the Southeast Asian markets, and also from the American and to the Australian markets.
That's very impressive.
We are majorly into the groups, series, ad hoc, and MICE.
Fantastic. So with your experience of Europe and obviously having a very expansive client base, you could travel anywhere in 2025. Where would you go?
To be very frank, tomorrow I'm flying to Lapland to meet the Santa Claus.
Oh, really? Is he working at this time of year?
Yes, this is the time when he works. Yeah. Lapland is an amazing place.
Yeah.
You get to see the beautiful auroras. You get to do the ice-breaking cruise. You stay in igloos. You stay in ice hotel. You do the husky safari, you do the reindeer safari. So there's so much of activities in just a small period of 3 months that's the place to be at this point of the time.
I would never have thought of that as well. So
No, that's a beautiful place to be.
And my final question for today is, obviously today I noticed you're wearing this spectacular hat. It's got lots of badges on it. Is there a particular badge on there that you like or you have a funny story about that you can share with us?
I have one badge which was gifted to me by a beautiful girl called Aisha.
Oh, okay.
She was a crew member on a Virgin Atlantic flight. I was coming from India yesterday. I was back in India to my office, and she fell in love with the hat. She came to me, she stopped me and showed me a list of a lot of badges that gave this Virgin Atlantic Young Forever badge.
Oh, that's a lovely story.
Yeah. So
I would like
to
a nice little memory book on your head.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for answering my questions. I hope you have a lovely day at BIM.
Thank you so much.
And best of luck for the future.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for connecting us.